Are you searching for a top 10 colleges for B Pharmacy in Maharashtra? If yes, then you are watching right video. In this video, I will tell you a top 10 B Pharmacy colleges in Maharashtra. The first college in my list is ICT Mumbai, which is also known as Institute of Chemical Technology. It is established on October 1, 1933 with aim of advancing India's knowledge reserves in chemical science and technology. It is a state-funded deemed university in Mumbai. The institute also has a campus at Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Jalna and Marathwada. Talking about its courses, it gives specialization in many courses, but we are talking here only about B Pharmacy. Duration of the course is 4 years, total seats 30. Eligibility, you have to clear MHT CET with a good rank to take admission here. Talking about its fee structure, it charges 3 lakhs for 4 years. It can be changed according to the college. Talking about its placement, it offers minimum 4 lakh of package and its NIRF ranking is 4. The second college in my list is Shobhabhen Pratap Bhai Patel School of Pharmacy. It is established in 2006 and also known as SPP SPTM. It is situated in Mumbai. Talking about its B Pharmacy course, its eligibility is MHT CET. Here also you have to clear MHT CET with good rank. Duration of the course is 3 years and its fees is 7.25 lakh. It can be changed. Talking about its placement, it offers 3 lakh minimum package and it is approved by AICTE and PCI. The third college in my list is Pune College of Pharmacy, which is situated in Pune. It offers total 100 seats for B Pharmacy students. It is approved by PCI. It is established in the year 1981. Talking about its B Pharmacy course, its duration is 4 years. Talking about its fee structure, it charges 1.2 lakh rupees for first year students. About placements, its minimum placement is 2 lakh rupees and its NIRF ranking is 22. The fourth college in my list is Bombay College of Pharmacy, which is situated in Mumbai. Talking about its course B Pharmacy, its eligibility is 10 plus 2 with 50% marks and MHT CET. Talking about its fees, it charges 41,320 rupees from first year students. Talking about its placement, it offers minimum 3 lakh rupees of package and it is approved by PCI. The fifth college in my list is Rashtra Sant Tukadoj Maharashtra University. It is a public state university in Nagpur. Talking about its course B Pharmacy, its duration is 4 years. Eligibility MHT CET. It offers total 60 seats. Its NIRF ranking is 33. Talking about its placement, it offers minimum 2 lakh of package. The sixth college in my list is Dr. Bhanubhen Nanavati College of Pharmacy. It is established in the year 2004. Talking about its B Pharmacy course, its eligibility is 10 plus 2. It is approved by AICTE. Talking about its placement, it got a 8.3 ranking out of 10, which is very good. The seventh college in my list is YB Chauhan College of Pharmacy, which is situated in Aurangabad. Talking about its course B Pharmacy, it charges 1.3 lakh rupees for first year students. Its eligibility 10 plus 2 with 50% marks and MHT CET. It is approved by AICTE and PCI. Talking about its placement ranking is 7.9 out of 10, which is good. The eighth college in my list is R.C. Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, which is situated in Dhule. Talking about its B Pharmacy course, its eligibility is 10 plus 2 and its duration is 3 years. Talking about its fees, it charges 1 lakh rupees for first year students. Talking about its placement, its placement ranking is 8.5 out of 10. The ninth college in my list is Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, which is situated in Pune. Talking about its course, B Pharmacy, duration 4 year, it is approved by AICTE and PCI. Talking about its fees, it charges 1.3 lakh rupees from first year students. Talking about its placement, it got 8.4 ranking out of 10 in placement, which is good. The 10th college and the last college in my list is Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, which is situated in Navi Mumbai. Talking about its B Pharmacy course, its duration is 4 year. It is approved by PCI and AICTE. Talking about its fees, it charges 1.55 lakh rupees for first year students. Its eligibility 10 plus 2. Its placement, it got placement ranking 7.7 out of 10, which is good. Thank you guys for watching my video. For more videos related to pharmacy, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.